Today I'm using this steel ball chain to make some super cute boy-girl earrings. I'm using 20 gauge Beadalon German style wire, some glass beads, and some ball chain. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, the Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and the bail making pliers. You can find kits for these and other earrings in my Etsy DIY shop, along with bead hauls and surprise packs with a variety of beads, findings, and sample pendants from my tutorials and other projects. Shipping is free if you order 3 or more kits. I am starting with 3 inches of 20 gauge Beadalon German style wire, and I'm going to turn the end with my round pliers into a centered loop. I'll slide on the ball chain and give it a little pinch to hold it in place. Now I'm going to add a 4mm cat's eye bead and a 6mm faceted glass bead. Above the bead, I'm going to bend the wire with the round nose pliers and slide in another piece of the ball chain. Push it right in there and then bend the wire around to secure it in place. Just bring it right around, give it a little bit of a tug. Make sure it's centered there on the ball chain, and then bend it straight up. Now I'm going to put on a bead. This is a cat's eye bead, round 6mm. Bend the wire to the side. Take your bail making pliers and bring the wire right around to make a centered loop. Hold it and twist the wire around and give it a little clip with the flush cutters. And there's your little guy. Now you can add a hook. This is a surgical steel earring hook. You can make your own if you prefer. Just close it up and there's your earring. Now for the girl, we're going to take about 5 inches of the 20 gauge Beadalon German style wire and put a slightly shorter length of ball chain and just tug those wires to secure it in place. Give it a little pinch with the chain nose pliers, hold it and bend one wire to one side, flip it around and bend the other over to the other side. The wires are going out horizontally and the little ball chain is dangling down for the legs. Take the round nose pliers and form your skirt. We will bend it at an angle on either side. Hold and bend. And then bend one of the wires straight up at the center. Hold it firmly and bend the other wire around and clip it flush. Give it a little pinch in place. And now we're going to add a glass faceted bead, the 6mm, and bend the wire with the round pliers above the bead and slide in the length of ball chain for the arms. Make sure it's right in there. And then take the wire, hold it firmly and bring it right around to secure the arms in place in the center of the ball chain. Bring it right around, give it a little tug, wiggle it around. We want it to be centered. And now we will put on the cat's eye bead, and this time I'm just going to show you how to clip it at about 3/8 to 1/2 inch and bend the wire around for a more simple finish. You can do it either way. And there is your boy and girl earrings and some with other beads. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Be sure to check out the kit for these earrings and other earrings and bracelets in my Etsy DIY shop, as well as the surprise pack kits that contain beads, findings, and pre-made pendants to make your own jewelry. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.